Well, a pretty normal session fishing. No edible fish, no even native fish. All carp, 20 of them. That's 20 more out of the river. So we fished for probably close on 4 hours a day. Did a bit of drone work, so you might get a bit of drone on the video. And the wind's just starting to come up now, so lucky I did the drone footage just a while ago. Well, it's taken us a few goes, but we're in this time. Now to get in past everything here. Oh, it's a carp. I think it's come to the surface. Yep. Definitely a carp. About 350 long. It's a nice colour. It's almost a gold colour. I'm not sure, I might have something on this one. Let's give a few tugs. Maybe it's pinched the bait and let go too. They're getting very finicky this morning. I'll leave it go for a minute. I've got another line up here that's tangled. The same rod, it just went off again, yes, and it looks like there might be something on it. Yep, we got something on it. Got another line here in the water. It's not really big. Has to be a little carp, I'd say. Here he goes. Yep, just a little carp. Well, this one, it's got something on it. It's gone under us. Oh, it's out. Oh. It's a bit better than some. Give it a head shake or two. It's a carp. Tangled around the other line too. There he is down there. And a boat coming past, as you can hear. Out there. Well, we're on the one here that I've got on this rod. But you can hear the other rod going there and bouncing around. Oop, that's the carp for sure, this one. I'll get it in. There he is. Put him on bank. This one going again. I'm going to pull it in and see what it's got on it, if anything. Yes, it has got something on it. And I'll tell you what was on this. I brought a piece of squid along. Now, it might be difficult to get him past these logs. I'll stand up on this one, although he's gone into the bank. He's coming. It's a carp. It's definitely, it's water skiing, so it's a carp. But there you go. Carp will take squid. Helen's got something on here. Bit slower today. Oh, she snagged it again.
The snag.
Walk up to one side or the other and see what happens. No.
That's a great big tree out there. You can see all the bits here.
Yeah, but what about the fish? No, you're not going to get it in, are you?
No, that's the same snag. God damn it.
Well, she got it off and it just got on another snag near the bank. So she got it in there.
Oh.
There it is, a little carp, about, I don't know, 250 mil long probably.
Wrapped around the end of my rod.
Like I might be on again. It's not very big. Oh, giving more head shakes now. No, it's come to the surface, it's a carp. Must be shallow out here. We're at Karadoc at the moment. I was going to go to one of the other places we went to where we caught all the fish, but when we got there, the water level had dropped quite a lot, probably close on 300, and it was looking a bit shallow. You could see lots of things hanging out the bottom. Here it looked deeper than a lot of other places, so it chose to come here. They were a bit slow today. This one's probably about 300 long.
It's a good
But
one.
we're on again. Wrapped around a couple of sticks on the bank here. One there and a log here. Looks like I'll have to go down and get it off. There we go. Hopefully he's still on. Yep, he's still on there.
Come on.
Got to be a carp again. Yeah, it's a carp. You on too?
Yep.
As you can hear, Helen's on. Get over and see if we can get some pictures of her.
Snag again.
You snagged again.
Yes. I'll let out a bit of line.
Helen's on.
I'm
Just
caught up in a tree.
caught up in a tree, yeah. As I said, you might have to go up that way. Now you've got a big log out here in the water too.
I know, there's two.
So you might have to come in across here and drag in this side of the...
I'm just going to get a bit of line in because I've got a lot of line out.
Yeah, I know that. I'll cast it out for you.
Over. Come on, over.
Well, just come in this side of it. Don't... Yeah, oh, there you go. Well, this will be the biggest one for the day by the look of it. Come on, bring him in. Keep him coming with that.
Whoa!
Yeah, well and truly the biggest for the day. You might have to just drag him up the bank, walk up the bank backwards.
Yep.
That'll do. That one's 500 long. Yep, not a problem at all. 500 long.
And fat.
I think we've got something on this one here. Oh, he's gone around a snag or something. No, he's out. You can see all the snags. No, he's got it. Found another one. I'll let him go, see if he'll swim out. It's a reasonable size fish, this one. Come on. He might be out again. No. Yep, we got him loose. Coming in here now. It's a carp. About 325, 350 long. Helen's on down here, and you can see this one down here is going off. It's wrapped around a tree.
Oh, I'm caught on the tree.
Whereabouts?
Just on the side. Can you see it?
Yep, I'll get it off here.
Thanks.
There you go. It's out there somewhere.
Yeah.
Get it around that log there if you can. Fast around that one.
Oh,
Yep.
Don't get on that one. Oh, it's...
I'm not going in.
No. I'll just let it swim for a minute.
All right, I'll go.
Yeah, go
Cross
and
and
get
see
the
this
other
other
one.
rod.
Oh, it's off.
It's off, got off. Helen's got off.
It's a more line.
Yep, this one has got something on it still. After all that, oh, it's a long way down. That's a carp. It's coming to the surface down there. Oop, going near the bank. Come out there. Oop, just dropped. He dropped it. That one ended up getting that other one out while I was attending the rod. And it's probably 375, 400 long.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Helen's got one here on my rod while I was re-hooking hers, putting a new hook and sinker on it after a snag. And this one down here keeps going off. Shush for a minute.
I think I've lost it.
You lost it.
No?
We'll get it in harder than that because there's lots of stuff here. Here it comes. Here it is. Helen likes to make a fish fly. Hear that going off again? Hang on. There it is.
Fish.
About 400 long. I had 10 to this one here. Must be something on it. Caught round a log down here. Yeah, there is something on it. Helen's got something on here. I'm still trying to put sinkers on.
It's not very big.
On other rods. Well, it looks like we've got one on here. Been getting a lot of snags here. There's a lot of snags in the water. And I had 4 rods out at once trying to put new rigs on them. This is another carp, unfortunately. Beautiful day. It's going to get to about 37 degrees today. Slight wind or breeze. We're in again here, but I'm caught on the log here. I'm just down here. Now we're in. That's another carp. It's come to the surface. Here he is here.
Oh.
About 350 long.
Because I've wound quite a lot in.
Right, Helen's got a fish here. Somewhere.
Must be small.
Small, you reckon? Yeah.
Or I've lost it. I've lost it, I think. Oh no, it's just small.
Small carp.
Oh, it's about average size.
It's about, yeah. Here we go. Well, it looks like Helen's on again.
It's not big.
You might be able to see all the logs she's got to get it past out there. It's coming in.
Yeah.
It's another carp.
Don't you go around that one?
Here it is. About 300 long. Up to check the other rods, and Helen's saying
turned it right round.
I've got something on mine.
Yeah.
Nothing on it now.
Sheeps had grabbed it and turned the...
I have got something on. Oh, now it's let go again. Something must have taken it up as I was bringing it in. Must have still had bait on it. It still has. I'm intrigued with what's on here. I don't know what's... Oh, it's a fish, yeah. It's been on for a while though. I didn't even see him. Must have been hooked up in this snag. So that's the last fish for today. We've run out of worms. And he's about 300 long.